Introducing the QCF-500 Torque Tester, the industry-leading tool designed to measure torque values with precision and reliability. This advanced torque tester from Advanced Witness series is engineered to meet the demands of various applications, making it a valuable asset for quality control and production processes. With its wide torque range of 50 to 500 lb, ft, and 3/4-inch square drive, the QCF-500 is suitable for testing a diverse range of tools and applications. Its bidirectional measurement capability allows for comprehensive testing and analysis of tools and fasteners. The QCF-500 offers 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, providing versatility for different testing requirements. The user-friendly interface features a large backlit LCD display and intuitive controls, making it easy to operate and access various functions and settings. The tester is equipped with a serial data output port and built-in memory, enabling data logging and storage for further analysis. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the QCF-500 Torque Tester. Invest in precision and reliability for your quality control processes.